Writing. Transcript. England have been dealt with fresh injury and illness concerns ahead of their FIFA World Cup quarter-final against Norway. Defender Marc Guehi will be assessed on Friday to determine whether he is fit to play. Guehi picked up a slight hamstring injury during England's dramatic 3-2 victory over Mexico in the round of 16 at the Azteca Stadium. At first, it was believed that he was only suffering from muscle fatigue. However, further assessment suggests the Manchester City centre-back has a minor hamstring strain. Despite the setback, Guehi is eager to prove his fitness and remains optimistic that he will be available for the crucial clash with Norway. If he is unable to train with the squad on Friday, serious doubts will remain over his involvement. While the injury is not considered severe, England manager Thomas Tuchel is unlikely to take any risks, especially with Norway's prolific striker Erling Haaland posing a major threat. There was better news regarding Reece James, who returned to training on Thursday as expected. The right back is now in contention to feature against Norway. Meanwhile, midfielder Declan Rice missed training for a second consecutive day due to a sickness bug. Rice had already been managing a nerve-related issue affecting his hamstring and lower back, and his illness has further complicated his recovery. England's medical staff have also taken precautionary measures to prevent the sickness bug from spreading through the squad. With a place in the World Cup semi-finals at stake, England will be hoping their key players recover in time for Saturday's decisive encounter against Norway.